Hello and welcome to English 1A Online. This class I've titled Look at Sociology, Seeing Through the Eyes of Others. And this course we're going to be using sociology kind of as a lens to help us kind of do the reading and writing and the activities that we need to do to kind of deepen our thinking. The first essay is going to be just about getting to know sociology. So right now you should be reading about and looking into the concept of what is sociology and trying to find out how it's useful to you. And in the second essay, we're going to look at subcultures. They're a big part of your identity and who you are. So we're going to try to find a subculture and really just define its essence. In the third essay, you're going to pick an issue that comes from your nonfiction book that you choose, which I'll get to in a minute. But you're going to pick an issue and then you're going to discuss it in relationship to the three different social theories that we'll learn in the sociology textbook. And then in the fourth essay, you will look at your identity and kind of explain it, through those same social theories. So it's another chance for you to kind of look at your identity, and that's always a little weird, but we'll get to that later. And then the last essay is going to be a research essay where you're going to look at a social issue that is related to the full-length nonfiction book you're reading with a group of members, and then do some more serious research about that. Okay, so I hope that is a good introduction to the content of the course. Also, note that the materials you need is the online open source sociology textbook that's available on the syllabus. You can click the link there. It's also usually linked in the assignments when I assign the reading on the calendar. And then you can also you're also going to have to choose one full-length nonfiction book, which will connect to sociology. There's several books, and there are also links on the syllabus there to both peruse and then also choose one of the books. So you're going to need to have at least 4 members in your group to before you go ahead and order that book. If you're the only person, or even just 3 people choosing the book, typically I ask you to kind of find another book. So we want to make sure you have enough people in your group to make it a social kind of reading of the book and engagement with the text, and not just you reading on your own. Okay. Anyhow, so that's an introduction to the English class that you're now enrolled in. I hope that helps you with the content of the course. When you click down to the next video below, you'll see that's a discussion or an orientation of the structure of the class and how the structure works. So I just want to give this quick kind of heads up about what the class is about. Okay, take care. Click on, and if you have any questions, get a hold of me.